everybody, it's Colorado Trailers. Wanted to show you guys one of the coolest trailers I think we've had on our lot. This is a 2018 Cargo Craft 8.5 28, fully loaded out, and it has a full bathroom in it. It's in a black blackout package, as you guys can see. Heavy duty extended tongue, black everything. You've got your black locks, black diamond plate rock art all along the bottom and up the corners there. This one has a side door with an RV lock and cam bar lock, overhead gutter. You also have an exterior spot off your side door. Two 7,000-pound torsion spread axles. Spread axles give you an optimal towing experience by distributing that weight a little bit better in the trailer, and then your torsion axles will give you an independent suspension underneath the trailer as well. Black, these are black aluminum wheels. You've got a couple of windows in this unit. I'm gonna spin around and show you guys this side, and then we'll go in that side door and check out the super cool inside. This one is equipped with the triple strip tail lights. You also have a spot here off your rear ramp door. And then we'll go inside. We've got a backside of the RV lock, and then a red interior. It's gorgeous inside here. You've got an interior step coming into the trailer, in-floor storage as well, nudo floor and ramp. And here is the inside. This one is a 7-foot interior height, insulated walls and ceiling. You do have a nice big awning escape door with a window as well. So as you guys can see, you can have it down and have some cross ventilation, or just open up that side of the trailer. Tons of lighting here all along the side as well as up above. Couple of roof vents. They both have max air covers on them. This one also has a 3-inch dovetail at the rear, so you'll have about a 6'9" rear door opening. Diamond plate transition flap on this ramp as well. So if you guys have cars, this is ideal for you guys because it'll help with the brake coming in and out off the ramp, and then with that dovetail coming into the trailer as well. This one is equipped with a power package. It's a 50-amp service, so you've got interior outlets all throughout. Front L-shaped cabinets. These are upper and lower aluminum cabinets. You also have a sink right here. Mach 8 AC unit as well with a heat strip. There's a nice countertop. And then you've got your bathroom located up here. And with our sink, got some storage there. Really cool checkerboard race floor. Full shower. Got an interior light here as well, and an outlet, and then there's your potty. We can add bathrooms to most trailers as well. If you guys have something here on the lot that you like, that you'd like to add a bathroom to, or we can build it at the factory. So give you guys some options and some more features of things that we can do. Give us a call, 303-688-8485. Check us out online, coloradotrailersinc.com. We do offer the largest selection of cargo trailers in the state, and we do have shipping options available for those of you who aren't here.